Good morning to all. Withdrew goods from business for personal use rupees 1000. In this case, the owner of the business concern take the goods from the business. So drawing account data to purchase account. Drawing is personal account and purchase is real account. In this case only we put credit in purchase. Otherwise purchase is a debit balance. Next, withdraw from bank for personal use rupees 900. In this case, the owner of the business concern take the amount for personal use from bank. So the entry is drawing account data to bank, being amount used for personal purpose. So we put drawing. Next, rent payable, rent outstanding, rent due but not paid rupees 1200. It means we have to pay the rent. So rent account data to outstanding rent. Rent is a nominal account and outstanding rent is a personal account. Interest accrued but not received. Interest earned but not received. Interest due but not received rupees 1700. In this case, interest is credit balance because it is the income, and interest accrued is a debit balance because it is a personal account. So entry is interest accrued account data to interest. Then purchased furniture by issuing check rupees 2000. The furniture is purchased by the way of bank transaction. So furniture account data to bank. In this case, he purchased furniture for cash. We put furniture account data to cash. In the situation, we put furniture account data to bank. Being furniture purchased. Furniture is a real account. Bank is a personal account. Next, purchased goods worth rupees 5000 less 20% trade discount and 5% cash discount. So trade discount is 20% from 5000. So it is 1000. So discount is 4000. Now we have to pay only 4000 rupees. It is called a trade discount. We purchase the highest limit. The trader provide the trade discount. The discount is 20%. Okay. Afterwards, the 4000 rupees we have to pay in cash. In one settlement, the trader provide the cash discount. The cash discount is 5%. So 4000 into 5% it's equal to 200. So we have to pay only 3800. So purchase account data 4000 to cash 3800 only we have to pay it. While the discount is 200. Okay, purchase is a real account, cash is a real account, discount is a nominal account. In this case, discount is earning. Okay, we avoid the discount. Rupees 2646 received from Anand in full settlement of 2700. In this case, we provide a discount to Anand. So, cash account data to discount account data to Anand. Anand is under the personal account. So, he is a giver. So, we have to credit it. Cash. The amount is come inside of the business. We provide the discount. It is the expenses of the concern. So cash account data, discount account data to Anand. The difference between the total amount and granting amount. So it is called a discount. The amount is 54. Being receipt of cash from Anand less discount. Then rupees 250 owing by Maury written off as bad debts. That means Maury not paid the amount of 215. So it is considered as a bad debts. the amount we would not receive in future. So, budget's account data to Mori, not a money, being amount written off. It is considered as a BADA. BADA is a expenses. Next, purchased machinery for rupees 22,000, pay cash of rupees 15,000 and the balance on account. So we have to purchase the machinery. So machinery come inside the business. So we have to debit amount is 22,000. We pay only 15,000. So to cash rupees 15,000. The balance amount is 7,000. It is considered as a supplier account. We have to pay it. In this case, no supplier name is not given. So we put only supplier account. Being the machinery purchased by paying a cash rupees 15,000 and the balance on credit. It is a compound entry. Thank you.